Najafzadeh from Power Electronic Group of Tallinn. I'm fourth year PhD student, and during this presentation I want to give you a short description of my PhD studies. So let's get started.
PV utilization in houses and buildings is a growing trend. However, saving extra energy can be more profitable than selling it to the grid, which means we need batteries and controlling devices. In my research, I focus on the control of power electronic devices for residential application. This device is called energy router. Energy router controls the energy flow within the house, main grid, solar panels, and batteries. The compatible version of the energy router is hybrid one, which contains both AC and DC. Our energy router topology contains two back-to-back full bridge converters, which are connected by DC link. DC load, PV, and battery they can connect to the energy router by the DC link. Two LCL filters, they filter the switching harmonics. K1 is the grid connection relay, whereas K2 is the bypass relay. This is different operation modes of the energy router, depending on the sun, battery soak, bypass switch condition, isolated or grid-tied mode operation.
This is our energy router. It contains two PCBs. The top is measuring and control board, whereas the bottom is our power board. They both are cooled by the radiator here. This is our microcontroller, and the control signals they go to the power board by those cables. We have different inputs. They have the same scheme. For example, in case of PV simulator comes into the measuring board by those terminals. After measuring voltage and current, it goes to the PV converter in the power board by those terminals. We have same method for main grid, capacitor or DC link, output or AC link, and battery. Our DC load and AC load, they can connect to DC link and AC link via AC socket and DC socket. Now let's talk about the power board. This is our LCL filter. In building side, we have LCL filter. In main grid side, two inductors for PV and battery, and those three capacitors, they are DC link capacitors. Those two coils, they are K1 and K2. Let's show how it works by charging my cell phone. So now I connect grid and start. And that's it.